today, Thanksgiving is coming up.
Right
We're in the
around the
Thanksgiving
corner.
season. We are here for it,
Food, family, friends, gratefulness, Thanksgiving.
And so because we are coming up to Thanksgiving, we are like, we should do something, Thanksgiving related, food related, in the spirit.
We had the pumpkin spice latte in the last video.
Yes, we
But
did.
this time we decided, we're gonna do some real food things.
There's a bird in here, by the way. So it's a thing.
Just bear with Bubba. No,
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know this was going to happen. That's why I started filming. So this is where we've arrived at. Yeah. And we cannot get the bird into the thing. And she's right in your neck right there. And we have no idea what to do. Yeah. So this is awesome. This is great. I can't wait to try the wings. I cannot wait to try the wings. That will be us as humans getting payback for this bird assault as we eat the wings.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, so we're back. Oh, wow.
I am traumatized.
That was an adventure.
So we...
Yeah, that was a lot. So we're getting back to eating birds.
Thank God. Yes. The soul
Spirit of Thanksgiving is eating birds. And so we are going to have delicious bird wings today. We have different types of hot wings, right? And we're going to try them out. We're going to see which one is the hottest, which one tastes the best, what they're giving. So, first on the docket, we have
Sweet chili.
No.
Okay.
Thai chili, which is that one. Then this one is the Jamaican jerk.
Jamaican.
Yeah, the
Jamaican jerk.
Then this one is the... Oh, this one is the hot barbecue. This one is the hot barbecue. Then this one here, that red one, that's the Euclid. Sorry. We're trying wings today. And just sharing some fun Thanksgiving memories and goodies and all of that, And we're Jamaican, so we don't have that many Thanksgiving memories.
Yeah.
Really just a couple. Just a few. So it's cute. We can stay in the relative present. So that's good. All right. So the first one we shall taste. And before we start, cheers to that.
Cheers.
Let us begin with the Thai chili. Alright, so it's a mukbang! A little bit. Thai chili. A little sweet. Waiting for the kick. Oh, I feel it there. Nice, mild.
Oh, wow. You really give them mukbang.
Very that. But you have to feel it in your soul, Very well made, I should say. Not that, a little spice, but not that spicy.
Yeah, them 2 little cans, pan just a little bit.
Story time. I went on this date, right? It was with this white man.
Me and did already.
And this was in my first semester at Howard.
I mean, oh, I go dance, I'm happy with the American, we can go dance. And I said, okay, I date this white man. And you say how he did well travel and go to the Caribbean enough and he connected with me on that level and stuff like that, which is all great and good. Anyway, we said, we were going to this restaurant that was close by Howard Theatre, right?
And we go there, we look on the menu. And girl, but they just in the mood for wings.
They go pan. First of all, this girl go pan date and eat wings.
Oh God, the worst decision I ever made. I was still a youngling then. So make up all of the wings. When the wings come, you can see me.
Trying to be dainty, because now I realize, now I have wings. How am I going to eat this? So this is me with the knife and fork. And me go boarding school, so that we learn that we practice. And me with the knife and fork in the wings, like me I eat that. Knife and fork. Half of the wings that get for me. So then me start be like, no girl, the wings need to eat because we are died. And you know this was the first date, so me never know who appear, me never know if him appear, me appear, things that's played.
I did not know what the deal was. We had never been to an eating date, though. This was our first eating date.
Isn't that interesting how gay relationships, you never know who's going to split or what the
Yeah, exactly. Like. Anyways, I was in college. I shouldn't have even thought about that. He was like
a big working man.
Yes, who did go and travels to the Caribbean.
So me I try daintily eat it myself. And the whole ring in my mouth and me comes out with the bone like the cute. This is me with the bone, Like, let me just rub this pan this so I can just show. This is me with the bone like the cute.
know, the whole wing in my mouth and this is me just a pull it out. You know, like some me I eat at the whole time. Never again. So I learned my lesson then. You know, other wingspan deities, that is an idiot foolishness. And I've learned that.
It's all me like you though. Me just want to eat the same wings.
I need to
Right,
get
true.
something very. I remember. Anyways, that whole day they never did that whole thing. They never crack up.
Comment below if you love to eat pasta and dates, you know, something nice and simple and easy. So you
Yeah.
like one good as
And that's what I should have done. But you know, I was leaning into some chicken. Alright, so the next one is the Jamaican
Jamaican
jerk.
jerk.
We're Jamaicans. I'm sure
The
this will taste
accent is killing me, by the way. I mean, I know why you got the Jamaican.
You were Jamaicans. Either way, I have no expectations for this to taste like actual like jerk chicken, which is fine.
The chicken you serve me, I you Jamaican, you know.
Yeah,
it's
you
serving
know.
me dry rub, it's serving me.
Yeah, so I'm not expect it for this, but it can still taste good on its own. So what will you say?
Yeah, me still good time pan.
Me cleanse my palate.
Jamaican jerk.
It's not bad. Then more on barbecue sauce on it, you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Would you say it's spicier than the Thai chili? It's sweet. It's sweet? Like a lingering sweetness if I eat the chicken itself. Like it not no spice. No?
Okay.
Oh, you mean without the
Just
outer-
herby.
Very herby. Very, very herby.
Should I eat the one you
And
first?
just one Thai and allspice and so Not bad though, but
Yeah, man.
the spice don't do up there.
Okay.
No. Come here. Yeah.
What are you looking forward to this Thanksgiving?
Well, this time I'm looking forward to spending our first Thanksgiving together as a new family. Well, you know, the three of us live together as roommates, so I'm looking forward to this being our first Thanksgiving and how we're gonna throw down and, you know, leading to that, creating new memories. You know, it's COVID time. I had plans to, you know, fly out to be with family, but this is not the time or the place or the tea or the moment to be flying out to see family and to be coming from all over the world.
Yeah.
Pack up in a one place and do all of that. So
We don't need any more super spreader events.
no more of that, no more of that. So we're staying home and we're going to lead into it. It's going to be a cute George, you know, cute George.
But anyway, stay tuned for that, guys. We're very excited to see, you know, shift it down and show with skills, you know, to a Jamaican boy, you know, we grow good though. We grow with the mother and them things. So, you know, we can't.
If you ever want one good man we can cook, I'm your girl.
Alright, next one. The hot barbecue.
Hot barbecue.
Alright.
Let's see what it's giving. Hot barbecue.
Have no cake? Oh no, that barbecue I cannot add. Oh no. It's hot to you? It just tastes nice. All the wings don't taste nice to be honest. Yeah, oh yeah, fully that. Big up America's best wings. This nice one. No, this is a cake. This is a cake. The wing are buzzy bad. Buzzy bad. This nice. No, if you make me key over, can maybe use more spice than my things. Exactly.
What is your favorite? So, you know, we only started doing Thanksgiving these past few years since we live in America, but what would you say is your favorite like meal or food item or whatever at Thanksgiving? Especially over the Thanksgivings that you've experienced.
You know, and it's so strange because at first I was like, candied yams, like what's that? Like yam, yam are like one real thing, you know, brown provision, nice and hefty and hard, you know, them something there, you know. But candied yams really have a buzz, you know. Candied yams, when you make it nice and right and pristine, and when you complement it with some fried chicken and them things there, girl, I love a candied yam.
Me love
With
a
the
candied
marshmallows
yam.
and
Yes.
the soup up on it. Delectable,
Oh God, and the cinnamon. Oh, you know I love cinnamon.
yes.
And in for the season, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the nutmeg in it too, you know, girl. You know, nothing to
I
give it
love,
that
I love a
touch.
candy jam. I love a good candy jam. I love everything about Thanksgiving. I love a belly.
My favorite thing is the nutmeg, especially my aunt's nutmeg. Girl. By the way, every time at Thanksgiving, by the way, which is why, oh my God, I'm
But
so
the
sad.
nutmeg in our.
Huh?
The nutmeg just not everything.
Did I say nutmeg?
Yeah, you
I meant eggnog. Eggnog, me mean, the nutmeg on my mind, but still at the eggnog and the nutmeg in that eggnog.
But don't you have a dog?
Oh,
God.
yes, me want.
First,
That's why
by
me
the way,
love the
I
pumpkin
spent a
spice
Thanksgiving
thing.
with him because I want nomad and I don't really have family in America, so me kind of just bounce around the Thanksgiving treasures. And I will say one of my favorite Thanksgiving things when I was spending time with you, aside from the buzziness of your family, because full of vibes, full of buzz, period.
Period.
Yeah, and the
Egg.
eggnogs and them things there,
Girl.
you know. Girl,
That egg.
your auntie can do a good eggnog,
Oh,
girl.
baby, the
That girl
eggnog.
will have you.
Listen.
Listen,
You ready to dance, girl? That eggnog gets me together every time.
Yes, honey.
Every Thanksgiving, I do one thing me look forward to anything kind of on the table. We can cook 27 million meal, every salad, every side, every potato this, every macaroni this, every that beautiful, great, you know, I love my belly so I gotta eat it all. But the eggnog, baby.
Yes.
Eggnog is what gets me together. Are we ready to try the nuclear wing? Now, I assume the nuclear wing is probably a buffalo sauce based one. I don't care much for
it's
that.
gonna be hot though.
But
it's not like it's dry rub though, so it's not like, you know.
It kind of wet. No, look on this. It kind of wet.
But you know, wet.
Yeah, but you know, like dripping.
the wet, the wow.
Yeah. All right, nuclear.
All right.
Be careful the river a bit. Oh, wow. No, wow. No. Wow, wow. Okay. No, that's sit down from my tongue. Yes. No, back on my tongue. Yes, it is. Yeah. No, that one, yeah. No one ever started. She said nuclear. What she said hot? She said hot. Coming in my head, the nuclear would have like a bun off my pussy for that. Sorry. I swear. The nuclear would have just a bun off my head top.
A few moments later.
oh no, no, my tongue. Oh no,
No, man, it act bad.
Yeah,
no,
it
it
act-
fucking act. No, it act bad.
No man,
It act bad. No, man. No, me I cry.
it did in the back of your throat.
Yes, I died. You do want to sit down. You just do want bombarders. Oh, yeah. What's that?
I love this.
Boy. Oh.
It's like if you have 5 of them in one row.
Oh, yeah.
It wouldn't be tea at all. Oh. You know, me talk about when me say about the people them nuclear. No, man, not just. Me talk about when me say about the people them nuclear. And them.
boom up
Boom up.
my mouth.
Feel like all that sound.
This will not necessarily make it better.
No man, it's hot.
You know, man, it act bad. It act bad.
man.
It act, man.
We really have done wine with it.
Yeah, actually, that kind of soothing. No, that make it worse.
That make it worse, girl. That make it
Make it
worse.
worse?
Yeah.
You think so?
That make it worse.
Whew. No, my aunt. No, my aunt. No, my tongue. No, my tongue. Make me salary can just keep on a bit more. Because it just high. But no, more that don't act like some girl love life. Me like that. Me just have to drink some more of this. It's just spicy, man. It's spicy bad.
You're so spicy on the Paramount on Instagram, by the way.
Oh, yes, girl. Due to
I
how.
love that fear.
That nice fair voice.
That nice, but the thing about that, you think you're real, or you
Think I want social media thing. Cause you know Spice Love do on social media thing, you know, she's a girl who does a bit. She does a good long running social media bit, you know, for drum up contract.
Let's say our attention.
You know, let me go.
You know, or whatever to some upcoming project or upcoming so.
That's why I talk about that. My tongue that exists, it numb, it kinda numb. No man girl, my tongue that exists.
We just have to get some milk to finish that, so.
Yeah, man, I love me.
We are
1 hour later.
I feel like, man, I feel like today's a day just to traumatize myself from the bird to the nuclear.
I'm just excited that this is a period of giving, this is a period of fellowship, this is a period, you know, despite everything that's going on in the world, despite all the chaos, despite all the sowings of the seeds of, you know, just... Honey! Besides all of that, I'm just excited to, you know, just be able to spend time with you guys, be able to spend time with my lovely girl right here. And just, you know, sissing up. Just sissing it up, you know.
Sissing it up, you know. You know, the sissies are back. So, I mean, thanks for coming. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, you know, and happy holidays as we're leading into the holiday season, moving forward, looking forward to the end of this
tumultuous time.
Yes, a very interesting, intriguing, and just out of this world year, you know, moving out of it, heading into something new, uncharted waters.
Something different,
you
something
know,
to give us.
I'll make no predictions because I remember at the end of 2019, everybody's like, oh girl, 2020 is going to be my year.
I was that girl. Me?
Yeah, same. So... No predictions for 2021. It's uncharted waters, but we are just leaning into it with hope and with gratefulness.
I think 21 is a cute number though, so I'm
like
hopeful.
21?
Yeah, my 21.
I never saw you liking odd numbers that much, you know.
I am not a girl to like odd numbers, but I like 7 and 5.
Well, 5 and 7 makes sense. Those are good
but
ones.
21 times 7 times 3 is 21, and I feel like 3 consecutive years of like terrible things are the things. So I think the third time's a charm. So I'm gonna think 21 is gonna be a good year for us. I'm not superstitious. I don't know why I just said that.
There was a lot of numerology,
right?
But you come to this channel for so much more. Even you know, quack philosophies. Anyway.
Whoa, you just rooted Julian and me. The whole stone.
Anyways, thanks for being here. Make sure that you like,
comment,
share, and subscribe. And, you know, join us for the next edition of OKSissy. Bye! Got Laverne back in. And this is a consequence of our actions. Yeah, lovely.
Love it for
great.
myself.
This is so great.
This is an amazing night.
Yeah.
Pack up everything, pack up the video. Over it.
Yeah.
Bye, YouTube.